Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I share with you how I made this delicious beef and yam stir fries. I am Rosie. Welcome to my kitchen. I will be using beef, yam. You can use potato as well, peppers, garlic, ginger, onions, spring onions, rosemary, curry powder, season cube, salt, oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'll start by cutting the meat. I will gently take out the fatty part of the meat. And I'll cut the meat into smaller pieces. You can use any type of meat for this recipe as well. Once that is done, I'll go ahead to wash the meat. And I'll be blending these ingredients here together, and that is done. In a pot, I will add the meat. I will season with rosemary, curry powder, salt, season cube, and I'll add the blended pepper mix and stir. You can leave the meat to marinate for some time before cooking it. I'll go ahead to cook it right away. Next, I'll slice the yam and peel the yam. And I'll cut the yam into smaller pieces, just about the same size as the beef. And that is done. So this is the sizes I cut the yams into. I'll add the salt and stir. I'll leave the yam inside the salty water for a while and then I'll strain it out. Next, in a pot, I'll add some oil. Once the oil is hot, I will add onions to flavor the oil and add the yams. I'll give it a stir and I'll be frying the yam until the yam is nicely fried. I'll add about 3 tablespoons of water in it, and this is going to make the yam to be soft inside and crispy outside. From time to time, I'll give it a quick stir so it doesn't get burnt. Once the yams are well fried to my satisfaction, and then I'll take them out of the hot oil and transfer them to a strainer that is lined with paper towel to take out any excess oil from the yam. I will use a sieve to clean the oil before using it again. The meat is been cooking now for a while and it's ready. I will transfer the cooked meat inside the hot oil. Give it a quick stir. Allow the meat to fry until they are well fried. Once the meat are well fried, I'll remove them from the hot oil and transfer them to a strainer that is lined with paper towel. And I'll put that aside. Next, I will transfer the pepper, onions, garlic inside the chopper and chop it roughly. You can use a food processor or you can also slice them as well. In a pot, I'll add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add sliced onions. Give it a quick stir. Fry the onions for about a minute or two. Add the pepper mix and stir. I will fry the pepper sauce for 5 to 10 minutes on a medium heat. 10 minutes later, I'll add seasoning powder, salt, curry powder. You may use any seasoning of your choice. You can taste it, adjust the seasoning if needed. Add the fried meat and stir. I'll leave the meat to cook in the pepper sauce for 5 minutes so the sauce can enter the meat. Next, I'll add the fried yams. Stir them together. I call this recipe beef and yam stir fries. What will you call it? I will finish it up with spring onions and stir. The beef and yam stir fries looks amazing. It smells amazing and it's ready. And I will serve. I'll start by picking the yam, which was very, very delicious. And I'll take the beef as well. The beef was soft, it wasn't dry, it was super delicious. This is a must-try recipe. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video.